Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. This site can't provide a secure connection try running Windows Network Diagnostics in Chrome. So, let's get started. First, open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down slightly until you see Settings, then click on it. Once in the Settings menu, select Privacy and Security and scroll down to find Security. Click on Security and you'll see an option labelled Safe Browsing. By default, it's set to Enhanced Protection. Scroll down slightly in this section and select No Protection. This setting won't protect you against dangerous websites, so proceed with caution. Once you've turned off Safe Browsing, check if your issue is resolved by trying to open the problematic website. If the problem persists, you can try the second method. Go back to the Settings page, enable the Use DNS Server option, and set your DNS server to either OpenDN's or Google's DNS server. After selecting your DNS server, check if the site is accessible. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.